So hello, the topic today is about composite functions. So this topic is under to the differential calculus. Gets? So ang composite function is f of g of x. Ganyan siya guys. Dapat yung eto is hindi siya naka-shade. Pag naka-shade kasi yan, pag ganito yan guys, ibig sabihin yan is multiplication. Multiplication siya guys, like ipag-multiply mo, pero kapag ganito naka-unshade, ibig sabihin yan composite function yan. Yung f natin daw is papalitan daw natin lahat ng g of x, lahat ng x ng f, bali ganito yung equals nyan. F of x is f of g of x yung tawag dyan guys. Gets? That's called the composite function. Para mas lalo malinawan, let's proceed for the first problem. Let's go! So, for the first problem is find the composite functions of f of g of x. So, this will be equals to what? G of x. Same pa rin yan. So, ibig sabihin yung nasa loob, siya yung ipapasok natin sa lahat ng x ng f. Gets, guys? So, for, kung mapapansin nyo, may x siya. So, x natin magiging ano? So, parang ganito yan, guys, para di kayo malito. Siya magiging g of x ng plus 1. The plus 1 and 1. Gets? So, f, what is the g of x is what? 2x squared plus 3 plus 1. So, this will be equals to 8x squared plus, distribute lang guys. Then, this will be equals to what? 8x squared plus 13. So, this will be the answer guys. Gets? So, the next problem naman guys is find the g of f of x. So, g of f of x, same lang yan guys, same lang. So, eto naman yung f of x natin, siyang ipapasok natin sa lahat ng g of x. Gets? So, this will be 2. Ano yung f of x natin, which is the x, then naka-squared, plus 3. Ginanito ko lang guys para mas lalo nyo maintindihan. Pero, kahit pag alam nyo na, huwag nyo nang lagyan ng ganyan, rekta-rekta na lang guys. Gets? So, 2, ang f of x natin is 4x plus 1, then squared ng plus 3. Gets? So, the 4x plus 1 squared is equals to what? 4x plus 1 squared. So, a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Yung a natin is 4x, then naka-square. 2, then yung a natin is 4x, ang b natin is 1, then 1 is squared. So, 16x squared plus 8x plus 1. Gets? So, 2 of 16x squared plus 8x plus 1 plus 3. Gets, guys? So, this will be equals to 16x squared, ay 16 times 2 nyan guys is equals to what? 32 ng x squared plus 4 plus 8, which is 16x plus what? 2 plus 3. So 2 plus 3 is equals to 32x squared plus 16x plus 5. So, ito na yun guys. Gets? So, the next naman guys is meron na siyang value na 2, which is yung x natin is 2. Gets? So, ganito pa rin yan guys. Ang f of g of 2, yung 2 natin, which is the value of x, ginagamit yan sa pinaka dulo na guys. Like, doon mo na siya isa-substitute. Gets? So, first, what is yung g yung ipapasok natin sa lahat ng x. So, 4 of 2x squared plus 3 plus 1. This will be equals to g of x guys ha. Gets? And this will be the f. And this will be the f, which is eto. Sinubstitute ko lang eto sa lahat ng x. Gets? So, next. Distribute 8x squared plus 12 plus 1, which is 8x squared plus 13. Gets? Then, dyan yung nagagamitin yung 2, which is substitute mo siya sa lahat ng x. Gets? So, 8 of 2 squared plus 13 is equals to what? 45. Gets? So, the total is 45. Gets, guys? So, yun lang guys. That's all. So, tatandaan nyo lagi, sinasubstitute ang value ng x sa pinaka dulo. Gets? So, that's all guys. Thank you for watching and I love you all to infinity and beyond. Goodbye.